Hi, Tom. I was thinking about going to a new restaurant. Do you like trying new places?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I love trying new restaurants. What kind of food do you want to try?
I'm not sure. I like Italian food. Do you?
Yes, Italian food is great. I love pasta and pizza.
Me too. I always order pasta with tomato sauce. What about you?
I like pizza with cheese and mushrooms. It's my favorite.
That sounds delicious. Do you ever try spicy food?
Sometimes. I like a little spice, but not too much. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do. I enjoy Mexican food with a bit of spice. Have you tried it?
Yes, I tried tacos once. They were really tasty.
Tacos are great. What do you usually drink with your food at a restaurant?
I usually have water or sometimes cola. What about you?
I like juice, especially orange juice. It's fresh and healthy.
Do you like eating out or cooking at home?
I like both. Eating out is fun, but cooking at home is special. I can make my favorite meals.
That's true. Do you cook often?
Yes, I cook a few times a week. I like making salads, pasta, and sometimes soup.
Wow. I don't cook very often, but I make simple things like sandwiches.
Sandwiches are good, too. Do you add cheese and vegetables?
Yes, I put cheese, tomatoes, and lettuce. It's simple but tasty.
Do you think eating out is expensive?
Sometimes it is. Fast food is cheaper, but nice restaurants can be expensive.
Yes, you're right. I think cooking at home is cheaper and sometimes healthier, too.
Yes, because we know what's in our food. No extra salt or sugar.
Exactly. But I still like eating at restaurants sometimes. It's nice to relax and enjoy a meal.
I agree. And you can try different foods from other countries.
Yes. I want to try Japanese food someday. I heard sushi is delicious.
I tried sushi once. It's different but very fresh and tasty.
That sounds interesting. Maybe we can go to a sushi place together one day.
Sure. Do you know any other types of food you want to try?
I want to try Indian food. They use a lot of spices.
Yes. Indian food has strong flavors. I heard curry is very popular.
Yes. Curry with rice sounds delicious. Have you tried it?
Not yet, but I'd like to. Maybe we can find an Indian restaurant.
Good idea. It's fun to learn about new foods and different cultures.
Yes, and it's a nice way to spend time with friends or family.
So, Tom, what's your favorite meal of the day? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
I like dinner the best. It's when I eat with family or friends. How about you?
I like breakfast. It gives me energy for the day. I always have tea and toast.
That's nice. I usually have cereal and milk for breakfast.
Simple but good. Well, thank you for this nice chat, Tom.
Thank you, Emma. Now I feel hungry after talking about food.
Me too. Let's make some tea and have a snack.
Great idea, Emma. Let's go.